everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making chocolate chip oatmeal cookies by request from a good friend of mine. So I hope you will give these beautiful little cookies a try. Let's get started on today's video. Before we get started, be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. Let's get going. Okay, what you're gonna need, I have in my bowl here 2 sticks of butter. I'm going to add to that because I need to cream together my butter and sugar. I have a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of regular sugar. And we're going to cream that together. I'll plug my mixer together. Measure. To this, you want to add 2 eggs. We're going to mix that in. Add a tablespoon of molasses. Two teaspoons vanilla. Mix that in well. Okay, now we're going to start mixing in our dry ingredients. I'm going to add some cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, and then a cup and a half. I'm going to shift a cup and a half of flour in. I like shifting my flour. I just think it does better. But it's just whatever you want to do here. And then just mix that in. I'm going to add it a cup at a time. Honestly, if you have a stand-up mixer, KitchenAid, this would work better for this recipe. I don't have that. It's on my wish list, but as most of you probably know, they're expensive. And it's not in my budget right now. So my little cheap hand mixer is what I got. And I will mix this with my mixer until it gets too hard to mix, and then I'll probably go to mixing it by hand. We're going to add another cup, and you need 3 cups total. One more cup. You think my little mixer is going to stand up to it? We're going to see. Now for the best part. We are going to put 1.5 cups of chocolate chips into our oatmeal. Get our cup. I'm using semi-sweets, and then I'm going to put some milk chocolate in there as well. If you saw my ultimate chocolate chip cookie, you know I like mixing my chocolate chips. Put that in there. I just think it gives it an extra depth of flavor. And we're just going to kind of eyeball the 1/3. Because why not? And then I'm not going to burn up my mixer. I'm going to mix the rest of this by hand. Okay, at this point, what you need to do, you need to cover it and set it up in your refrigerator for about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to bring you back, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next with it. Okay, so I'm going to put some parchment paper down on my cookie sheet. I love using parchment paper because that way you don't have to use cooking sprays and stuff. And if you don't have one of these little things, they're just absolutely amazing. Okay. We're going to bake these at 350 for about 10 minutes. 10 to 13 minutes. My oven tends to run a little hot, so I will definitely check them at 10 minutes. And if they need a little bit more, we can go a little bit more. Okay, we're going to pop these in the oven and we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to take our cookies out, sit them on a cookie rack and let them cool. You need to let them cool completely before you put your next batch in. Okay, my friends, oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I hope you will give these a try. They smell amazing. They're soft, they're chewy. My family's just gonna love them. We're gonna send some home with friends. Thank you for joining me today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.